Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the volume in your Galaxy M15, the volume for the all sounds in your phone, of course. So get to the settings, next go to sound and vibration, and there is option volume. Yeah, that's right. And there is a 4 category: ringtone, media, notification, and system. And in this way, you have to choose the sound and how loud or silent it be. For the media, so it's been MP3 or something like that. Notification, sound, and system. Yep. If you wish to have, for example, get only notification sound, so press that, like something like that. Yep. Oh no, we have to get ringtone on minimal voice to get something like that. Anyway, you can mix it for your own preferences, whatever you like, whatever you want. Of course, you can enable it, disable it. No. Disable it using volume button. So, as you see, when I push this volume, it won't work. When you enable it, you can stir this volume by this button, as you see. So that's it, all about the volume in your Samsung. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!